So I want to take a look at the charging docks here. Something that a lot of people don't know about is, let's say, this thing is fully docked and you're driving around, it's making like a bunch of raspy noises, bugging the hell out of you. One of the things you can do is you can put this in lock and it'll get a better hold on this so it won't rattle around as much, right? But if that doesn't work, which sometimes they don't, you can leave it in the unlocked position. There's also a little volume switch here, and you can actually bring it back towards you all the way. You hear that little snap, now it's completely off. So you won't have any noises coming out of the speaker that you don't want. So anyway, I never saw that before, so I figured there's got to be more people out there like me that just haven't seen that. So if that's annoying the hell out of you, like a lot of people just like will take their scanner out and put it down here, or just kind of like half dock it to where it's not touching. There's a lot of ways people deal with that. But if you want your scanner to be charging, if it's low on the battery or something like that, you definitely can just have that as an option. Turn that off. Anyway, hopefully that helps you out. Have a good day. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in a future video.